Today we are going to see the example sum 3.21. Find the square root of. Here the expression is given as 64x power 4 minus 16x cube plus 17x square minus 2x plus 1. First of all, we want to check the given expression is in the standard form or not. Right? How we have to check the standard form or not means, see the variables. The variables power either in ascending order or in descending order in the same way. Here we have x power 4 and the next term is x cube and then x square and then x and then constant term. So the given expression is the standard form. So directly we take the expression. Here I am not going to take all the expression including the variables. Here I am going to take only the coefficients of the variable to find the square root. See what is the coefficient of x power 4? It is 64 and then coefficient of x cube is minus 16 and then coefficient of x square is 17 plus 70, right? And then coefficient of x is minus 2 and then constant term is 1. Here our main aim is to cancel the first term. See, here we have to cancel this. First step we have to do only one number here. That number will be a multiple of that or perfect square of this number, that is 8 into 8. 64. 8 8s are 64 is a perfect square number. 8 8s are 64. Then we have to subtract this one, change the symbol. Then plus 64 and minus 64 will be cancelled. So it gets 0 here. And then take down the next 2-digit number. And then minus 16 and 17. Take down the 2 number here. Now we have to double this number, multiple by whatever the number is appeared here, we have to multiple by 2. Here we are going to do 2 numbers. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. And then here also we have the same concept. The first term we have to cancel. And then whenever you see here the negative symbol, just put the negative symbol first. If it is a plus symbol means use plus. Here we have the first term as negative means put the negative symbol and then see here we have 16. Here also we have 16. Divide these two terms. 16 is divided by 16. We get the value 1. So that is the number we are going to multiply here. So minus 1. The same number we have to put here. Right? Minus 1 into 16 is minus 16. Minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1. Now we have to subtract this. If we are going to subtract this, change the symbol. Here we have minus symbol, so we have to change it to plus. Here we have plus symbol, so we have to change it to minus. Then plus 16 and minus 16 both are cancelled. Then 17 minus 1 is 16. Now we have to get out these two terms. Here we have minus 2 and then 1. Again, we have to double whatever the number is appeared here, we have to multiply by 2. So here we have 3 numbers. The first number is 2 into 8 is 16 and then 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Right? Here also we have the number 16. Here also we have the number 16. So which number we are going to multiple to cancel the number 16 means again 16 is divided by the 16, right? We get the value 1. So that is the number we are going to multiple here. So put 1 here and here. Now we have to multiple this. 1 into 16 is 16. And then 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. And then 1 into 1 is 1. See, in this term we have the plus symbol here. So we have used the plus. Last term we have minus, so we have used minus. Now we have to change the symbol for subtraction. So plus 16 and minus 16 cancel, minus 2 and plus 2 is cancel, 1 minus 1 is cancelled. So all the terms are cancelled, we get the remainder as 0. So we get the quotient as this is the perfect square number of that term. So this value can be written like this. The given term is root of 64 x power 4 minus 16 x cube plus 17x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to, here we have the terms, the given, the answer should be written in the modulus value, right? Here 8 minus 1 and then 1. Here the constant term, the next term is x and the next term is x square. See, here we have 8x square minus 1x plus 1 is the answer, and without doing all this, we can, for one more, suppose we are asking in the one more question means, we have directly answer for this means, we have a short idea to find out the answer. See, check here is the 64. What is the perfect square number of 64 is 8. 8 is the perfect square number of 64, and then the last constant term is 1. The perfect square of 1 is 1 itself, right? And whatever the number appear in the first one is multiplied by 2, we get 16, right? Now come to the here. Here we have minus symbol. If you have minus means put minus. You have plus means put plus. Here we have minus, so put minus. That number is multiplied by 16. The 16 is divided by 16. We get value 1. So we get the same answer. Today we are going to see the exercise number 3.8, question number 1. Find the square root of the algebraic expression is given as 37x square minus 28x cube plus 4x power 4 plus 42x plus 9. See, first of all, we have to check the given algebraic expression is in the standard form or not. How to write the standard form is either we can choose the ascending order or in descending order, right? See, the highest power is x power 4. But here we have checked in the terms, right? So we have to write in the standard form. First we have x power 4 is the highest power, so we take as 4x power 4 as the first term. And then the next power is x cube. Here we have minus 28x, so minus 28x cube. Next term is x square. Here we have 37 with symbol plus, so plus 37x square. And then the next term, yes, 42 plus 42, right? 42x, and then constant term is 9. Now, the expression is the standard form. Now we want to find out the square root of this number. So, we take the square root of 4x power 4 minus 28x cube plus 37x square plus 42x plus 9. We want to find the answer, right? Here, we are going to take only the coefficients of the variable. Now we are taking the variable. It is very simple and easiest way to find out the square root, right? First, the coefficient of x power 4 is 4. And then coefficient of x cube is minus 28. And then coefficient of x square is 37. And then coefficient of x is 42. And then the constant term is 9. Here, the first term, we want to cancel the first term. See, the first term is 4. What is the square number of 4 means? 2 2s are 4. The perfect square number. 4 is a perfect square number. So, we get 2 2s are 4. Now, we have to separate this. If we separate, we want to change the symbol. Here we have plus, so we have to change it to minus. Plus 4 and minus 4 is cancelled. And then first term we have entered only one number, and then second term we are going to enter two numbers, right? And whatever the number is appeared here, just multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4. Next we have to take the two terms here. The first term is minus 28, and then second term is 37. And whenever you have seen the negative symbol here, just put the negative symbol first. That is minus. Now, here also the same concept. We have to cancel the first term. Here we have minus 28. We want to cancel means we have to enter the same number. So, what number we are going to multiply means just take these two numbers. That is 28 and 4. That is 28 divided by 4. This is the division, right? 28 divided by 4, we get the value 7. So, that is the number we are going to multiply here. That is minus 7, and also here also we get the minus 7. Now multiply this term, minus into plus minus 7 fours are 28, and then minus into minus plus 7 sevens are 49. Now we have to subtract. Change the symbol. Here we have minus, so put plus. Here we have plus, so put minus. So minus 28 and plus 28 both are cancelled. Here we have the highest value is negative symbol, so put minus first. 49 minus 37 is 12, right? And then the next two digits is 42 and then 9. Now we have to multiply this term. Here we are going to enter the three numbers. The first 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 7 is 14 with minus symbol, right? Now here also the same, the minus 12 you want to cancel. So choose this one. The first number is minus 12. Here the first number is 4. Divide the term. 4 ones are 4 threes are, that is minus 3. And I already told you, wherever you see the negative symbol here, first put the negative symbol, that is minus 3. And here also we put the minus 3. So minus into plus, minus 3 fours are 12. And then minus into minus, plus 3 14s are 42, and then minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9. Now we have to change the symbol for subtraction, right? Here we have plus symbol, so we put minus. Here also we have minus. So plus 12 minus 2 both are minus 12 plus 12 are cancelled, and plus 42 minus 42 is cancelled. 9 minus 9 all terms are cancelled, so we get the remainder as 0. Now, this is the value. The value should be written in the modulus. See, the first one is 2, and then second one is minus 7, and then last one is minus 3. This is the constant value. The next is x, and then x square. This is the value we have to find the square. Students, exercise number 3.8, question number 3. Find the value of a and b if the polynomials are a perfect square. The given polynomial is a perfect square means, so we get the remainder as 0 clearly. So we want to find out the unknown value of a and b here. See, we are going to take only the coefficients of the variable. See, the given expression is the standard form or not. First we have to check it. See, here we have x power 4, here we have x cube, and then x square, and then x, and then constant term. So the given expression is in the standard form. So first one, the coefficient of x power 4 is 4. The coefficient of x cube is minus 12. And then coefficient of x square is 37. Plus, right? And then the coefficient of x is b, and then constant term is a. Here, we want to cancel the first term. The 4 is a perfect square number of 2 2s are, right? So 2 2s are 4. The first term, when we subtract, it will be cancelled, we get 0. Next, we take the two numbers, that is minus 12 and then 37. Whatever the number is appeared here, just multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4. Here, in the second term, second step we are going to do two numbers. Right? Here, we have the negative symbol, so put minus first. And then, what number we are going to multiply to cancel this number means, just select these two numbers, that is 12 divided by 4. The first number is divided by 4 means, right? 12 is divided by 4 means we get 4 3s are 12. So that is the number we are going to multiply here. There is minus 3. Here also we have minus 3. Now multiply this minus into plus, minus 3 4s are 12. And then minus into minus plus, 3 3s are 9. Now we have to subtract this. To subtract, we have to change the symbol. Here we have minus, change into plus. Here we have plus, change into minus. Now minus 12 and plus 12 both are cancelled. 37 minus 9 is 28. And then this two number we have to get down. B and then A. We have to find the value of B and A. So the next step we have three numbers here. 2 2s are 4 and then minus 2 3s are 6. Here also the same. We have to cancel the first term. That is the first term is 28. What number we are going to multiply means the 28 is divided by 4. We get the value, that is 28 divided by 4. It is a short method to find out the multiplied number, right? 4 7s are 28. So here we have the number 7. And here also we have to put the number 7. Now multiply this. 7 4s are 28. 7 6 are 42. Here we have minus symbol, so minus 42. And then 7 7s are 49. And then in question it is given as a perfect square. The polynomial is a perfect square. So we get that this term is equal to 0. Now here in the place of B is equal to 42 means this term becomes 0, right? Here we have therefore the value of A is equal to and the value of B is equal to. See, in the place of A we have that 49. And then in the place of B we have minus 42. So the value of A is equal to 49 and then value of B is equal to minus 42. Thank you, students. Hi students, today we are going to see the exercise number 3.9 in algebra. First question, determine the quadratic equation. Determine the quadratic equation whose sum and the product of roots are given as. Here we have three Roman numbers. Let's see one by one. The first Roman number is minus 9 comma 20. Right? See, the given values are sum and product. So first value we have to take as a sum of the root. Second one we have to take the product of the root. First of all, we want to know what is the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means we know the power 2, right? Then we have to form a quadratic equation. That is the quadratic equation x square minus sum of the root. Sum of the root we take as the one of the root is alpha, another root is beta. So sum of the root is alpha plus beta into x plus product of the root. That is alpha into beta is equal to 0. Alpha into beta is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation. Here the given values for the first Roman number, the given values is sum of root. Sum of roots, that is sum of root means we know that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus 9. And then product of the root. Product means we know that alpha into beta. Then the product of the root is 20. So here we know the values of alpha plus beta is equal to minus 9 and alpha into beta is equal to 20. Now apply this value in this equation. The equation is x square minus of sum of the root is minus 9 into x plus alpha into beta is value 20 is equal to 0. Now x square minus into minus, we remove the bracket here, minus into minus plus 9x plus 20 equal to 0 is the quadratic equation. Next we see the second Roman number here. Then the second Roman number, the first sum of the root is given as minus 3 by 2 and then product of the root is given as minus 1 and then the same the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is x square minus, either we can use the word or use the symbol, that is alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Now sum of the root. Alpha plus beta is given as the second Roman number. The first one is sum of the root, second one is the product of the root. Minus 3 by 2. And then product of the root. Alpha beta is equal to product of the root is given as minus 1. Now alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3 by 2, alpha and beta is equal to minus 1. Apply this value in this equation, we get x square minus of the sum of the root is minus 3 by 2 into x plus into minus 1. Here alpha and beta is minus 1. So I use the bracket to write the negative value. Now we have to remove the brackets. We get x square. When we remove the bracket here, minus into minus plus 3 by 2 into x. Here plus into minus, minus 1 equal to 0. See, here we have the denominator. So we have to multiply by the number 2. We get 2x square plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. When we multiply by 2, here we have to multiply by this 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So the quadratic equation is 2x square plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Now we see the fourth Roman number. The sum of the root is given as minus of 2 minus a whole square, and then the product of the root is given as a plus 5 whole square. For this fourth Roman number, the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is x square minus sum of the root. Either we can use the whole or plus symbols. It is alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. The sum of the root alpha plus beta is equal to, the sum of the root is minus of 2 minus a whole square. And then the product of the root is a plus 5 whole square. A plus 5 whole square, that is alpha into beta product. Now this value should be applied here, then x square minus of, see clearly here we have the formula, we have minus, this term we have minus, so minus of 2 minus a whole square into x plus a plus 5 whole square is equal to 0. Now we have to remove the bracket. If you remove the bracket, we get x square minus into minus plus. Then we have 2 minus a whole square into x plus a plus 5 whole square is equal to 0. Is the quadratic equation for the given sum and product of the roots. Exercise number 3.9 in algebra. See that question number 2, find the sum and the product of the roots for each of the following quadratic equation. So the given equations are in a quadratic form. So we want to find out the sum of the root and the product of the root in the given equation. Let's see the first one. The first Roman number is given as x square plus 3x minus 28 equal to 0. Compare this equation with the standard form of a quadratic equation. See, the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. So we want to find out the sum of the root and the product of the roots, right? So sum of roots. Sum of roots means we know that is alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a is the form. So minus b by a. Here a is equal to, what is the coefficient of x square is a means here the coefficient of x square is 1. And then compare with the place of b, then b is equal to 3 and then c is equal to minus 28. So sum of the root alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a is equal to minus in formula the value of b is 3 divided by a is equal to 1. This term is equal to minus 3 is the sum of the root, that is alpha plus beta. Next we want to find out the product of the root. Product of roots, we know that is alpha into beta is the product of the root. Then we have the formula that is c by a. Product of the root is constant term divided by the coefficient of x square, that is c by a. Here the c value is minus 28 and a is equal to 1. Therefore, the product of the root is minus 28. Or directly we can be able to find out this value by comparing the equation or another method. This is another method. We know the form of a quadratic equation, that is x square minus sum of the root into x plus product of the root equal to 0, right? Now compare this equation. This given equation is x square minus plus 3x minus 28. Compare this equation with this form. See, in formula we have minus of alpha plus beta. So this term should be changed into x square minus of 3 into x. So alpha plus beta is equal to, alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3. Here we have the form of minus means, then we have to multiply with the minus symbol. So minus plus of minus 28. Then alpha into beta is equal to minus 28. Either we can use this method, that is alpha into beta is equal to minus b by a, or directly we can use this method also, right? Now second Roman number, the given equation is 3 plus 1 by a is equal to 10 divided by a square. That's Roman number 3. Roman number 3. 3 plus 1 by a is equal to 10 divided by a square. First of all, the given equation is not in the standard form of a quadratic equation because the variable is in the denominator, right? So here we have a square. So multiple with a square this equation we get. Multiple with a square means here we have 3a square plus 1 into a square is a square. A square divided by a means we get a is equal to 10 a square multiple and divide means a square will be cancelled, we get 10. So standard form 3a square plus a minus 10 equal to 0 is the quadratic equation. Now we want to find sum of the root and the product of the root. Sum of root alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Compare with the standard form of a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So in the place of a is equal to 3, and then the place of b is equal to 1, the coefficient of x, right? And then the place of constant term c is equal to minus 10. The sum of the root alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Here we have formula, we have minus, and the value of b is 1 divided by value of a is 3. So the sum of the root is minus 1 by 3. Then product of the root alpha into beta is equal to c by a. That is constant term divided by the coefficient of x square. So the constant term is minus 10. C is equal to minus 10 divided by a is equal to 3. So the sum of the root alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1 by 3, and the product of the root alpha plus beta is equal to minus 10 by 3. Let's see the first Roman number. Roman number 4. Here we have 3y square minus y minus 4 equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. General form of quadratic equation. Compare with a is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 1 and then c is equal to minus 4. Now we want to find out the sum of the root. Sum of roots, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. See, in formula we have minus symbol, so put minus symbol first. For the value of b is equal to minus 1 divided by the value of a is equal to 3. So minus into minus plus 1 divided by 3. The sum of the root is 1 by 3. Now the product of the root. Alpha beta, alpha into beta, product of the root alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Here the constant term is minus 4 and then the a term is 3. Minus 4 divided by 3. Therefore, the sum of the root is equal to 1 by 3 and the product of the root is equal to minus 4 by 3.